Hello, my name is Lauren Rose and welcome to my channel. I'm a singer and vocal coach here on YouTube, and today I'm going to be talking about my top 4 tools for singers. Tool number 1 is a straw. Straws are great for warming up and cooling down the voice, as well as increasing flexibility and stamina and helping fatigued and tired voices. If you're a beginner, you want to start with something around this size, and then the more advanced you get, you want to get one of those coffee stirring straws, the tiny ones, and they'll have more resistance to them. If you want to get something more sustainable, I have an Uvu Singer's straw necklace right here, and it's very travel friendly as well. And they also have a singer's ring where you can wear it on your fingers like this and adjust the amount of resistance. I'm not an affiliate at all, I just really like this necklace. And I will have a video coming out very soon of all the straw exercises you can do to help improve your voice. Tool number 2 is a full-length mirror. Full-length mirrors help you monitor your posture, your breathing, and you can also check for any tension in your chin, your lips, your jaw, your neck, and it also helps you monitor your facial expressions as well, so you can see how you look when you're singing a particular song. Tool number 3 is a flow ball. A flow ball is a respiratory exercise device that really helps with breath control and stability. I will have it linked down below, and if you would like me to do a video with exercises you could do with the flow ball, just let me know in the comments below. Tool number 4 is a yoga mat. Yoga mats are not only great for stretching before you sing, they're also great for a lot of breathing exercises. When you're laying down on the ground, your rib cage is naturally expanded. So we like to do a lot of exercises on there just to help with body awareness and breathing technique. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked today's video or got any value out of it at all, I would love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be notified when my next video comes out.